Hi there. Welcome to Artios Academies. At Artios Academies, we're all about helping kids love God, know His Word, and get ready to serve others and reflect Christ in everything they do. We blend the arts, biblical worldview, and academics in our K-12 program. From theater and dance to math and science, we've got it all. We are a K-12 homeschool partnership program that teaches art. We teach the arts because the arts are everywhere and shape your child's worldview and their self-worth. With a biblical worldview, the arts become a canvas for God's truth. We teach to the heart because the heart is the wellspring of life, holding our emotions and desires and faith. Equipping the heart with God's story helps children to understand their role in His plan. And lastly, smart. True wisdom starts with knowing God. When we teach the academics, we focus on turning students' hearts to God's Word, beyond just academics and test scores. At our open house, you'll hear from me, the campus owner, about our mission and methods. Our academic director will discuss our programs. And you'll tour our facility, including classrooms, the scene shop, the costume shop, dance studios, and the Black Box Theater. Don't miss out. Visit our website to RSVP and get all of the details.